Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to blur an image in Canva. Alright, so first of all, just open your Canva template. Now click on the image. This bar will appear over here on top. Click on edit. Here, click on see all. Now here, as you can see this option blur. Click on it and select the area you want to blur. For example, I want to blur this text. Just click on it, and as you can see, the text is blurred. Now you can increase or decrease brush size if you want. You can also increase the intensity, as you can see. Now if you want to blur the whole image, just click on whole image and you can increase the intensity, as you can see. Now if you want to remove the blur, just click on remove and select the area, and that's it, your blur will be removed. So that's it for the video. That's how you can blur your image in Canva. Thanks for watching.